गुड इवनिंग एवरीबडी। और आज मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ हाउ टू इंस्टॉल दी सोलर सिस्टम अंडर पीएम सूर्य घर मुफ्त बिजली योजना। तो देर आर द 9 स्टेप्स in my video which I have covered in this video. First one is eligibility check. In this step, ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for the scheme, which typically targets household in rural and urban areas. It means you can check your connected load or the solar capacity which you want to apply will be same or less than the connected load. Second one is visit official website. After eligibility check, go to the official website of Ministry of New and Renewable Energy (MNRE) website, or your state's renewable energy department website for detailed information about the scheme. You have to go to the visit the website for the of the government or as well as your state renewable energy department. Third step is online application. Fill out the online application form available on the website. Provide necessary details about your household and specify the desired capacity of the solar plant. In this step, in this online application filling form filling step, you have to submit your electricity bills, and you have to fill the form with the help of your electricity bill. Next step is fourth point is documentation. Prepare required documents which may include your electricity bill, your Aadhaar card, address proof and bank details. Please check all your name spellings in all the documents will be same. Next step number is 5, the local nodal agency. After submitting your application, get in touch with the local nodal agency or designated authority for the installation process, through which you can select your vendor to install the solar system. 6th point is site assessment. After selecting the vendor for the solar plant installation, the agency may conduct a site assessment to determine the best placement for the solar panel. The site assess your roof area, your inverter location, your earthing location, and your connect your distribution box in which the vendor give the connection to the homeowner. In the 7 point, next point is installation. After approved or after conducting the site assessment, the installation agency or vendor will be carried out by authorized technician. The installation done with the help of technical solar technician. In next after the installation, the step number is 8, subsidy benefits. Ensure that you understand the subsidy mechanism and benefits that you will receive under this scheme. You have to understand the subsidy which you can avail from the MNRE, means central government as well as the state government. In the post installation system, that is step number 9. After installation, make sure to receive all relevant documents like including warranty details, installation reports, etc. And after that, you have to submit the installation report, net metering form. You have to install this form on the website of the MNRE to get this subsidy. So these are the all 9 steps you have to know about that for the solar plant installation. For any assistance or specific queries, contact your local renewable energy office. Contact your local renewable energy office or the helpline provided on the scheme official website. You can also contact to me. My number is 9027981644. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel.